Hi friends, let's have a look about the water chemistry and the sewage water treatment, which is the fifth module in our KTU syllabus. Today we are discussing about the topic hardness of water. In this video, hope you will understand about hard water and soft water and the different types of hardness, that is temporary and permanent hardness. Before that, we should know about the characteristics of pure water. That is, a pure water must be tasteless, colorless, and odorless, and main thing, it is often called as universal solvent. That is, odorless means it has no smell. And what is mean it is why it is called as universal solvent is that it performs as a good solvent. That is, it will pick the impurities easily. There are two types of water, that is hard water and soft water. As the water moves through soil and rock, it dissolves very small amounts of minerals and holds them in the solution. Calcium and magnesium dissolved in water are the two most common minerals that makes the water hard. The degree of hardness becomes greater when the content of calcium and magnesium increases. So, So we can define hard water is when the water consists of calcium and magnesium salts. It may be as in the form of their chlorides as calcium chloride and magnesium chloride, maybe the bicarbonate form as calcium and bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate, or maybe in sulfates as calcium sulfates and magnesium sulfates. Due to the presence of these ions, the hard water does not produce easy and ready lather with the soap. Instead of, it produces a white precipitate called scum, that is known as white scum. The scum formed are the insoluble salts of calcium and magnesium. Let's discuss about the chemistry behind the hard water. We know the hard water consists of either calcium or magnesium ions, and the chemical name of the soap is sodium stearate, that is a sodium solution of sodium solution. So when hard water, that is calcium or magnesium ions in the hard water, react with the soap solution, the sodium in the soap solution are replaced by the calcium ions in the hard water, and we get a white precipitate of calcium stearate. When we take the magnesium, we get a white precipitate of magnesium stearate. Here also the sodium ion is replaced by the magnesium ion. On the other hand, water that readily produces lather on shaking with the soap solution and which does not contain any salts of magnesium and calcium ion is known as soft water. So here it is the difference between the hard water and soft water that we discussed before, that does not the hard water does not produces any lather with the soap, but the soft water produces lather with soap easily, and the hard water does not contains any dissolved salts of calcium and magnesium, but the soft water contains dissolved salts of calcium and magnesium. And but in hot water, due to the presence of these ions, the wastage of time and fuel is there, because it will the boiling temperature of the water gets increased. As a result, we have to take lot of time to to boil the water. And this in soft water, it is less wastage of time and fuel. And hot water, when we use in the laundry, more consumption of soap is used, is there, and here in soft water less consumption of soap because it reproduces lather very easily. Next we are going to discuss about the different types of hardness. We know as earlier there are two types of hardness, that is temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Temporary hardness is due to the presence of dissolved bicarbonates of calcium, magnesium and other heavy metals and the carbonates of iron. So it is called as carbonate hardness, and it can be removed to a great extent by mere boiling of water. When temporary hard water is boiled, the bicarbonates of calcium is decomposed to form a precipitate of calcium carbonate and carbon dioxide is expelled from it. This calcium carbonate is referred as a lime scale. This can damage the kettles and hot pipes. And the permanent hardness is also known as non-carbonate hardness, which is caused by the presence of chlorides of calcium, magnesium, iron, and other heavy metals. And this type of hardness cannot be removed by boiling, and it can be removed by using soda lime process or other water softening methods. Hope you understand this topic. Let us see in next video. Thank you.